Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into TikTok Ads Manager, create and optimize ads step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for TikTok Ads Manager. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. On the TikTok Ads Manager homepage, look for the Login button. Click on the Login button to proceed. You will be redirected to the Login page. Here, enter your registered email address or phone number. Next, input your password in the provided field. Click the Login button to access your account. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, complete the verification process. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. To create a new ad campaign, locate the Campaign tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Campaign tab to open the campaign options. Select the Create button to start a new campaign. Choose your campaign objective from the available options. Once selected, click Continue to proceed. Fill in the required fields, including campaign name and budget. Set your campaign schedule according to your preferences. After completing these fields, click Continue to move to the ad group setup. Define your ad group parameters, including targeting, placements, and bidding strategy. Once done, click Continue to proceed to the ad creation stage. Choose your ad format from the available options. Upload your creative assets, including images or videos. Fill in the ad details, such as the ad name and text descriptions. Preview your ad to ensure everything looks correct. After finalizing, click the Submit button to launch your ad. To optimize your ads, return to the dashboard. Navigate to the Analytics section to review performance metrics. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.